Okay, so let's begin with numerical values in public health dentistry. First up, we have the tools of epidemiology, which are rate, ratio, and proportion. Now, what is rate? Rate is any value divided by time. So, let's say the number of people infected by a disease in 1 month is your rate. Okay. Next up, we have ratio, where n is not a part of d. Okay, so what happens is ratio is what? Ratio is something similar to number of boys in a class to number of girls in a class. Those are two different entities. Now similarly, what is proportion? It is n upon d, where n is a part of d. So let's say number of boys in the class to the number of total students in class. That is your proportion. Now next, another important thing is incidence and prevalence. So what happens is incidence is a rate which is a number of new people affected by the disease. That is our incidence. And what is prevalence? Prevalence is the sum total of people affected by the disease. That is new plus old, and it is a proportion, while incidence is a rate. Next up, we have odds ratio, which is used for analysis of case control study. Now, what happens is, in a case control study, we measure the parameters risk factor versus disease. Okay. So the formula is AD divided by BC. It measures the strength of association. If odds ratio is 1, there is no association. If odds ratio is less than 1, it prevents disease, and if it is more than 1, it causes disease. Next up, we have relative risk and attributable risk, both used for analysis of cohort study. Relative risk is the ratio of incidence among exposed divided by incidence among non-exposed, and attributable risk is incidence among exposed minus incidence among non-exposed divided by incidence among exposed into 100. Next up, we have the case fatality rate, CFR, or virulence. It is the number of deaths divided by number of people affected into 100. Next up, we have 4 important parameters: sensitivity, specificity,